Hey guys, welcome to another one of our beautiful listings, and this time it's in Guadalmina Alta.
So welcome to Villa Sagaro. This is a villa that has been completely modernized in 2020. It's a 5-bedroom villa with 6 bathrooms, set over 460 meters square built and on a plot of 1,050 meters square. The house is full of light, super ample, on an open plan sort of structure, and the distribution is 2 bedrooms in the ground floor and 2 bedrooms in the top floor. Both bedrooms upstairs could be master bedrooms as they're super ample, have their ensuite bathrooms, and enjoy the views and the lovely access to a terrace and to a roof terrace, a little top tower where you can enjoy all the views of the coast and the sea even from Guadalmina Alta, which is quite unusual.
Guadalmina is a fantastic neighborhood that's really actually populated more for residential, but many people also have wonderful holiday homes here. But this is a residential area. 5 minutes walk from here, you're straight down at the Guadalmina Commercial Center with restaurants, bars, and another 5 minutes down and you're on the beach. So you're in an incredible location. Guys, thank you so much for joining us today, and I hope you enjoyed this property tour as much as we did. And we look forward to seeing you soon in Marbella. Amanda.
Don't forget to subscribe and hope to see you on the next video.
Cheers.
Cheers.